How to add an item to wishlist on Temu. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can keep wishlist or save the products. First of all, open the application. Now you can select the products that you like. So tap on the one that you want to select. Now slowly scroll downwards. Here you'll be able to see the option called product details. So scroll down until you find the option called product details. So here it is. Now you can see this save button. Tap on this save button. So it has been saved and it has been added to your wish list. So if you go back and see at your profile, you'll be able to see the wish list or the products that you have saved. So you can do it easily. So these are the wish lists that are available. So you can surf it accordingly and it's done. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video helped you.